Of course, sleep is number one. All health, fitness, vitality, longevity, and peak performance endeavors flow downstream from getting adequate sleep, getting outstanding sleep. Everyone nods their head. We pay so much lip service to this, but stuff gets in the way. Mainly, it's our portable devices or our laptops or our pads. So flip those things closed, power down for the last hour, maybe 2 hours to have a nice, calm, relaxing evening ritual. Minimize artificial light and digital stimulation after dark. That's one of our worst genetic disconnects. We want to get back in tune with our circadian rhythm, where we're guided by the rising and setting of the sun and our energy levels and our hormonal functions. So after it gets dark in your environment, tone down your lighting sources in the home. I have some fancy fun stuff like a red light on my headlamp so I can read in the most dim light possible, wind down before bed with a wonderful book. A lot of people are fond of the UV protective eyewear, yellow or orange tinted lens that lets plenty of light into the indoor environment, but you're blocking that harmful blue light spectrum that's coming from artificial light bulbs. You can switch out your regular light bulbs to the nice orange tinted, the old school light bulbs that are suddenly popular again. You can get the bug lamps at the home supply store that are orange in color. Just toning down to have minimal artificial light and digital stimulation after dark, winding down those final minutes before bed with a soothing ritual such as a warm bath like Ariana Huffington promotes. You can get into some foam rolling because remember, a couple minutes of this will stimulate parasympathetic function and set you up for a nice restful sleep. So respecting that sleep time is precious. And then finally, a good night's sleep starts first thing in the morning. You want to expose your direct eyeballs to sunlight as soon as you wake up, and ideally awaken as close to sunrise as possible. Get outdoors into the fresh air, get some sunlight on your eyeballs, and that will entrain your circadian rhythm to have that melatonin onset in the evening that makes you feel tired and sleepy. And then creating that sleep sanctuary where you have a simple, clean, completely dark, cool environment. Notice I just have a simple pad. That's all we need. We don't need those big fancy beds. Something comfortable to sleep on, and taking all measures, including clipping these curtains together to have complete darkness. No night lights, none of that nonsense. If you have to get up in the middle of the night, use a little handheld light and minimize your exposure to artificial light, especially during those sleeping hours. So you don't want any stressful circumstances in your sleeping environment. No television screen, of course. No stacks of paper or bills or clutter anywhere in your bedroom. Your bedroom is a special place just used for sleeping and other things, but make it happen.